Hi everybody, welcome to Module 3 of the course. I'm going to go over the assignments for this module. We're going to go to Course Menu and Learning Modules to find our Unit 3 module. Of course, we begin with the introduction with the objectives for the module and an overview of what we'll be doing in Module 3, as well as your Module 3 guide that has the specific assignments and activities that we'll do that are nestled in the module. You've got your resources, creating a summary, and using evidence. So that's what Module 3 is all about, is summarizing your text that you've chosen to analyze and then using specific evidence like quotes to illustrate your summary or to illustrate a point that you want to make about the text. This will have links to any of the chapter readings or videos that you should watch before doing the assignments. We've got a discussion this week, so we're picking that back up with the discussions. And basically in this discussion, you're kind of looking back to Module 2, where you wrote about possible primary and secondary audiences. So you're going to, for the rest of the class, identify the work that you're analyzing for your project, and then talk a little bit about who the primary audience is and the secondary audience is. And then some further questions. What do you find interesting or admirable about the audience choices? Do you have any ideas about ways the audience might connect to the article beyond what they have said? Can you extend their ideas to expand the connections between the audience and the article? And then optionally, it might help to start your response post with writing these sentence starters. The primary audience you chosen might also appreciate blank. So you can kind of fill in the blank with these if you want to. Then we've got our 3-2 assignment that you'll submit to the Dropbox, which is right here. So in this one, you're going to write a summary of the text that you've chosen for your project, about 3 or 4 sentences long. Choose one sentence from the text and incorporate it as a quote in its original sentence. Take the same sentence and write it as a paraphrase in your own words. Use in-text citations throughout the assignment to properly cite. We have an example from a student. We have the rubric here, and we have a template and also different responses with APA versus MLA, depending on which one that you choose to use. Okay, everybody, so I look forward to seeing your work for Module 3, and please reach out to me if you have any questions.